In this simple tutorial, we will learn that how we can use the simple battery within the Proteus. You can see a project open, that is the window of a project of Simulink that is named as Untitled. So what you need to do is to go to library browser and write here battery. You can see three type of batteries, but you need to select the last one. Okay. Now you need to take one display to show the battery voltages. So here we can see one display, and now we have added it to the Simulink project. Also go and take voltage measurement block, MEAMENT, voltage measurement block, and you will get this block. Right click on it and add block to model Untitled. Now we got all of our things. Okay, now first of all I would like to tell you that you cannot connect the display directly with that of the battery. You need to use this voltage measurement block to measure the voltages of the battery. So for it you need to connect positive with that of the battery and negative of voltage measurement block to the negative of the battery. Then output must be connected with that of the display. Then we will run it. Okay, yeah, because we are using battery, so we also need to take power GUI block. So click on it and write here power GUI. Sorry, you must have to remove this space and click on, and here you got power GUI and we have added it. Now hopefully our circuit will run fine. Okay, now you can see that now our circuit is fine and the battery voltages, that is 1.4 volts, are being shown on the display. So hopefully you got the concept regarding the use of the battery within the Simulink. So thanks for watching this video tutorial.